the biggest marketing tech trends in 2022. Technology is currently transforming marketing. So what I want to do here is look at the key trends I'm seeing. Artificial intelligence-driven marketing solutions. AI has now been used in marketing for many years. Companies like Google and TikTok are driving their advertising platforms using AI. What we'll now see is more use of natural language processing. So it's not just simply crunching numbers, but really understanding human language. And this will mean marketeers can create marketing copy using machine learning and also identify where products and services are being discussed on social media. Increasingly, AI will give us this 360-degree views of customers and will help marketers make sense of data, both internal and external data. Mixed reality and the metaverse. We are currently moving towards a new phase of the internet, the metaverse, that brings together technology like augmented and virtual reality to create more immersive worlds. And AR is already used by marketers to help us try out new things. So we can look at virtual representations of phones, of cars, and so on. And increasingly, VR will give us virtual product showrooms that we can explore, and even virtual shopping malls. And companies are now using not just augmented reality to project images of their products and services into the real world, but we can use virtual reality to do things like test drive cars. Another important trend is hyper-personalization and micro-moments. Micro-moments are basically selling opportunities that may only last a few seconds. And what we're now trying to do is to personalize these micro-moments. So companies like Expedia or TripAdvisor are able to identify when a potential customer has arrived in a new city, and they can then provide them with hotels or restaurant recommendations. Another good example is Exit B, that uses AI and behavioral recognition algorithms on websites to see when exactly a user is disengaging with content they are reading, and therefore might be open for receiving targeted advertising material. And another major trend is hybrid events. Usually marketing teams spend around 20% of their budgets on events. And we're now seeing a huge shift towards making hybrid actually work. This year, CES was delivered as a hybrid event, so you could attend online or in person. I have recently been part of an AWS event that was held in London, but you could also join online. So I attended virtually. They shipped food and wine to me. And then it was really good because the discussions took place in virtual forums where people in the real room could participate, and it felt really good. Another really cool example is when I was giving a keynote for AT&T. They recorded me in a studio in London, and I then appeared as a hologram in Singapore and in Sydney, where they had a real audience. So these kind of events will happen more and more. If you want to stay up to date with leading trends in technology and business, check out my book, Business Trends in Practice, and make sure you subscribe to my website and my podcast.